Hey guys, Scrappy Case 2. I want to show you some Christmas cards that I've been working on, and I'll have some more later. I'm sort of going in between Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So when I get them done, I want to go ahead and show them to you as I get them done, or a little small bunch of them. The first one, or these are going to be snowflake related, actually, for snow. This one here, oops, okay, there we go. Merry and Bright. Oh, man, I keep forgetting to leave out the stuff so I can tell you where I got it from. I am so bad about that. I am so sorry, guys. If you want to know where I got anything and I haven't mentioned it, just let me know and I'll tell you. Like this Merry and Bright set, I've been wanting to get a Merry and Bright set for a while, but I never did like the fonts and how they were set up, so I kept putting it off until I found this one. And I cannot remember who that is, but let me know. I could find out. These are just snowflakes from a pack that I got from Hobby Lobby. That I had in my stash, and this is just some of the glittery that don't come off kind of paper. And this stuff is really hard to die cut, especially if you have anything that is intricate. So I'm thinking maybe if you put a piece of die or a piece of cardstock in between, that it may do better, but it's really hard to die cut with intricate stuff. So anyway, this right here I die cut out of just regular paper and put glitter glue on it. So, and then I just had this little stamp in my stash and my little card stamp thing. If y'all make a lot of cards and y'all don't have one of these, you need to get one that says handmade by and who you are, because that just tells who your really good work, especially if you send them out to people that are not family, that don't know that it's your work, or that may know but don't really appreciate that. At least know that this was made by you. Anyway, the next one is this one. I kind of got them in the same, to look sort of the same, but this is that same kind of glitter paper, and this is just regular cardstock with glitter glue on it again. And I cannot remember who the die on that, but this is just stickers I had in my stash, and these are stickers I had also, and this is a punch right here, and those little snowflakes that came out I used up here, and I put some extra leftover of this blue glitter paper on here just to put a little color in there. Alright, and that's that one. And then this one is just regular foil paper in a stack that I had, and this embossing folder I've had for a long while, so I thought I'd emboss this. Now, a lot of times people tell you to spritz your paper before you put it in your embossing folder so it won't tear it, and that's true on most parts, but not all. Like on this, I wasn't sure if I should do that, especially on this side, because I didn't know how it would react, the water on this. Probably if I would have done it on the other side, it might have done better, but it did put a few little, you can't tell because it's glued down, but it did put a few little cracks in it on some of these, like this line right here, maybe that it was cracked in there. But you just have to be careful of what you put water on, I guess. But it turned out okay. The only thing I don't like is this sentiment on top of this, because you can barely see it. if I would have, I probably should have put like a backing on it, like maybe a black, or maybe a black backing or a darker blue backing on this. It might have showed up better, but it just, you know, I mean, it's okay if you want. It's better in person. I mean, you can see it, but like on the, it's really hard when you do it on the camera. That's just another from my stash. And I use that same stamp on all of these, and this is another sticker. These stickers I found last year, the year before, they are really, really pretty. A lot of different designs, and I've already put it up, so I can't show you, but here's that other one. Isn't that pretty? I put one of them snowflakes on there. And that's it, guys. I just wanted to show you some, and I've got some Halloween cards that I'm making as well, so I'll be showing those shortly. And I've got some D-stashes that I'm doing as also, so you may want to check those out. So talk to you guys later. Thanks, bye.